Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today we are going to check the Bitcoin price if actually is able to break out of this triangle we have got in here and make a new all-time high. And also we are going to check the Ethereum price is actually broke out of this triangle we have got in yellow color in here and is back testing this one and is ready to explode one more time. Now stay with me, let's check them out. Today we are going to start with the total market cap. Actually, what do we have in here? We had a triangle in here and finally broke out of this one, but now we are struggling with the 1.61% of the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, in 2017 we had the top of $760 billion of the total market cap, and now if we go and check from the all-time high to the all-time low in 2018, what we can get in here, we have got a 1.61 Fibonacci retracement in here. But the good news is actually we are out of this triangle in the yellow color. We have got the total market cap including Bitcoin finally broke out, and now we are actually about 19% up of that one is actually just started, and after this broke out we just started to go for the really great prices on the altcoin and Bitcoin. At the total market cap excluding Bitcoin actually is just started for the bull run of the altcoin. As you can see in here, we had this rising channel actually in here and it actually finally broke out. And the good thing is we back tested this one and now we have got another green candle on the daily time frame, and at least I'm expecting another $10 billion actually in the altcoins in the next few days or weeks. And after that maybe we are going to see another dump on altcoins a little bit and a rise on Bitcoin, but at least I'm expecting about $10 billion to inject into the altcoins again, and we see another huge run on altcoins. The next thing we can go and check together actually is Bitcoin dominance. As I told you in the previous video, what do we have in here? We had a really great support with the yellow line. As you can see in here, it was working really great as a support for the Bitcoin dominance, and actually in 2020 about April it was broken to the downside, and now we did go up again to backtest this one, and it is really going to be huge for the altcoin, and I'm expecting a really huge run for altcoins in 2021. Now what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin dominance to do, maybe we are going to see another dump to this area, and after that a very good pump on Bitcoin dominance to the upside, maybe to 80%. Or maybe we are going to see in the next week or next 2 weeks actually Bitcoin is going to break the all-time high after $42,000 and the Bitcoin dominance start rising one more time to about the 75 or 80%, and after that we are going to see another dump and altcoins actually is going to start moving to the upside after Bitcoin. What we can see in here actually on the Bitcoin chart, let me just go and check it out together. What we can see in here actually, Bitcoin is still making higher high and higher low. As we can see in here, the previous high was about $24,000 and the new all-time high we have got is about $42,000, and the low was about actually 22, and the new low we have got is about $29,500. And now Bitcoin actually broke out of this about bull flag we have got in here, and now, or maybe we can call this one descending broadening wedge, and now Bitcoin is actually broke this one after the reaching to the price of the $34,600. Now Bitcoin is still making higher high. If I go and check the Bitcoin price on another chart in the 4-hour time frame. I told you in the previous video we have got the one support line in here, but we might going to see this one is going to be breaking because this area is a really good resistance at the moment for Bitcoin. It's not that powerful because we had in this price actually only about a few days, and now it's working as a resistance for Bitcoin. I told you maybe we are going to see this line in the yellow actually get broken to the downside, but the support area is going to hold the Bitcoin price, and after that maybe we are going to see another time Bitcoin rising up and break the all-time high on the 42,000, or maybe we are going to expect another leg to the downside, but I'm going to tell you why. Maybe we are going to expect another leg to the downside to about the $35,000 actually, and after that Bitcoin make a new all-time high. I'm going to show you in another chart we have got in here. Just let me go back on the daily time frame. What we can see in here, actually we have got this point for myself, because if Bitcoin breaks the downside and break the $34,200 to the downside, I'm not expecting Bitcoin to go further to the upside after that, because this area is really important zone area for Bitcoin to hold it, not break to the downside. If Bitcoin comes to the downside and break this one to the downside, Bitcoin is going to be dead and we are going to expect another leg there downside, but I'm not expecting that one to happen at the moment because the power of the bulls is really great at the moment. Anytime Bitcoin price is going down, as you can see on the chart, the bulls step back into the market and buy and accumulate more Bitcoin for themselves. And actually I'm expecting finally Bitcoin break after next few days or weeks to the new all-time high to the upside. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. I told you this one actually in the previous video. I told you this zone area is actually important because what do we have in here? This purple line we have got in here was broken once to the downside, as you can see. After this one broke to the downside, the yellow line we have got in here held the price of Bitcoin, and now we are seeing the price of Bitcoin rising one more time. And I told you because this area, the 42,000 area, actually is a previous high for Bitcoin, and the cross of this purple line we have got in here and this zone area maybe is going to work as really good a resistance for Bitcoin, and maybe we are going to see another leg to the downside on Bitcoin prices. And actually that one happened from the $41,000. Actually Bitcoin went down to about $37,000, and now Bitcoin is still rising to the upside. I'm going to show you another chart that I've got in here. I told you if Bitcoin break down of the $34,000 area, actually I'm not expecting to Bitcoin to go further to the upside because this area is really crucial support for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin cannot hold actually this price about the $34,000, we are out of this ascending triangle, and after that we are expecting a leg to the downside, but it's only might going about or less than 1% actually. I'm expecting Bitcoin to play in this area and after that break to the upside finally before actually 15th of March. If Bitcoin play in this area is actually going to be good for altcoins, and after that Bitcoin is going to start start going further to the upside for the new all-time high, and after that maybe we are going to see a little bit crash on altcoins. But before that one Bitcoin might still play inside this one. But if Bitcoin break to the downside, actually break this one to the downside, Bitcoin is going to be dead. But I'm not expecting that one happen very soon. I'm expecting Bitcoin actually crash the downside maybe the next few months. I'm going to show you actually Ethereum I have got in here. What can we see in here? Ethereum actually was in the rising channel and broke out of this rising channel, as you can see on the chart we have got in here. Ethereum actually broke out of this rising channel and now is back testing the upper line of this channel we have got in here. And this is really good if Ethereum actually can hold this price, which is about $1,600 area. If Ethereum can hold these prices, as Ethereum is going to be listed on the CME actually by today, I think, is going to be a really powerful run for Ethereum as well. On another chart I'm going to show you, what can we see in here? We had a really crucial resistance for Ethereum, which was about $1,400. Now is it got broken to the upside, and as you can see with this yellow color we have got in here, Ethereum was inside and was playing inside this ascending triangle, and now is broken to the upside. The good thing is actually going to backtest this one and rising up one more time. This is really bullish for Ethereum. This is really bullish for Ethereum. I'm expecting, according to this one actually, I'm expecting Ethereum to make another leg to the upside, which is going to be around the $2,300 or $2,200 for Ethereum. Actually, it is going to be a really huge bull for Ethereum, at least to 2.2 K actually for Ethereum. And that was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you guys in the next one.